In a world where fortunes can be made or lost in an instant, it's important to understand how a company like Tesla works. Today, we're going on a journey that will answer the burning question on many people's minds. Is Tesla stock a buy? We'll look at the factors, trends, and insights that could affect your investment decisions. But we won't stop there. We'll also go deep into the numbers. Elon Musk's visionary leadership and the possible catalyst that could change the way you see Tesla stock. Stay tuned because the information we're about to reveal could change the way you see Tesla stock, whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out. Before we get into the details, don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Now let's take a look at the wild ride that is Tesla's stocks. These stocks from the innovative EV maker are currently 37% below their record-breaking zenith, despite their amazing rise this year, with a market cap hovering around $800 billion. According to Mark, is it any surprise that eager investors are pushing Tesla back into the coveted $1 trillion league? This innovative car giant isn't just about numbers. It rides on a wave of change champions, a culture that constantly breaks the mold, and an eye on a market opportunity that's huge and sprawling. However, with stock prices skyrocketing at such a brisk pace, many investors are pausing to wonder if they're about to overpay. So the million-dollar question, or should we say trillion-dollar question, is it the right time to invest in Tesla? When you step into the world of Tesla, it feels like the rules of traditional car marketing and design don't apply. The idea that cars are more than just cars and represent a future we all dreamed of but didn't think would come true. Have you ever thought about why Tesla is so popular with its customers? It's because they haven't just made vehicles. They've also made experiences for the lucky few who've sat in the driver's seat of a Tesla. There's an undeniable sense of being part of something bigger, a movement, a revolution. Every time the car speeds up silently, it's not just speed you feel, it's the pulse of progress. This brings us to the genius of Tesla's strategy, targeting the premium segment first. Historically, any disruptive technology first appeals to the high-end market before spreading to the rest of the population. Tesla's strategy didn't just happen by accident. By making a high-end, high-performance electric car, they targeted a niche market that could buy this new technology. It wasn't just about selling cars. It was also about building an image. Now think about this. When we see something exclusive that seems out of reach, our natural tendency is to want it even more. Because they were the epitome of luxury and sustainability, Tesla's high-end cars created a buzz that money can't buy. But Tesla's aura isn't limited to the physical. In this day and age where everything is connected, software has become just as important as hardware, if not more so. And this is where Tesla shines brightly once more. Imagine waking up to find that your car has self-updated overnight, making it safer, smarter, or even faster. It's like the magic of a smartphone's software update, but on a much grander, more significant scale. Also, the lack of traditional advertising is a genius move in a world where ads are everywhere. Tesla's lack of communication through standard marketing channels creates a void and a sense of mystery that naturally draws attention. When they do decide to talk, everyone stops and listens. Each product launch is not just an event, it's a spectacle. Tesla's approach to branding and market capture is a lesson in innovation. They know that in today's world, real disruption isn't just about releasing a new product. It's also about changing the way people think, breaking down barriers, and paving the way for others to follow. As we think about Tesla's meteoric rise and its impact on the auto industry, one thing becomes very clear. Tesla doesn't just sell cars. They sell us a picture of the future, a future that seems closer than ever thanks to their never-ending innovation. Are you ready to be a part of this electrifying journey? Now let's switch gears and look at the racing track of the EV. As amazing as Tesla's journey has been, the road ahead is not smooth. While Tesla may be the leader, a lot of other companies are gearing up to take a piece of the electric pie. While Tesla's brilliance is undeniable, the field isn't without worthy competitors. For example, Ford Motor Company and General Motors are changing their identities from the rumble of gasoline engines to the quiet hum of electric motors. On the other hand, new companies like Lucid Group and Rivian Automotive are stepping onto the scene, each adding their make electricity Imagine a world where our homes don't just protect us, but also power us. Our lives by relying less on energy sources that don't last. And then there's the power wall. Tesla's battery solution for homes. It's not just about saving energy. It's about changing how people think about and use energy. Tesla makes sure that green energy is available on demand, even when the sun isn't shining, by letting homes store extra solar energy. This is part of their effort to make renewable energy sources less unpredictable, making them more consistent and reliable. Musk wants to make a closed-loop energy system that is both self-sufficient and sustainable. Along with that, Tesla's energy solutions aren't just for homes. Bigger products like the Power Pack and the Mega Pack are meant to serve businesses and even whole cities. These commercial energy storage solutions could be game changers in keeping power grids stable. When we talk about peak demand and strengthening green energy infrastructures, we should also remember how powerful it is to work together. For example, Tesla's partnerships with battery makers, tech giants, and even possible competitors can lead to new ideas and ways to make money. Strategic relationships could be the extra push Tesla needs to become the market leader. As we look at Tesla's path, it's also important to remember how important customers are in today's market. Brand loyalty and great customer service. People have mixed feelings about Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales model, but it does offer a unique customer experience. Could this closeness with customers be the key to the company's future growth? As we talk about Tesla's possibilities, we should also keep the state of the world economy in mind. World economic downturns, trade wars, or other unplanned world events can stop even the most promising growth stories in their tracks. When putting the plan into action, resilience, adaptability, and agility will be important. Finally, what about the next generation of workers? As the baby boomers retire and millennials and Gen Z take their place as the main workers and consumers, their values, priorities, and buying habits will shape industries. Companies that adapt to these generational shifts, like Tesla, which appeals to the tech-savvy, environmentally conscious younger generation, are set to succeed. As you, our wise observer, navigate the vast world of investment and innovation, it's important to keep an eagle eye on these changing dynamics. The EV race isn't just about speed, it's also about tactics and being able to change. In this fierce competition, the question still stands. Will Tesla keep making electric cars, or will another competitor move ahead? The future is charging up, and it looks like it will be an exciting ride. Tesla's stock has had nothing but meteoric growth over the past 5 years. Its shares haven't just gone up, they've soared, leaving behind trails of awe. If you look at the numbers, you'll see that the current price-to-earnings ratio for Tesla is a staggering 73.6. To a conservative value-driven investor, this number might seem unbelievably high, like climbing a financial Everest. And their hesitation isn't without reason. For Tesla to justify such an astronomical valuation, it would have to not only meet but soar past market expectations, which would require a level of optimism that's brighter than 1,000 suns. It's hard to ignore the stark realities of valuation when Elon Musk consistently defies doubters and changes industries. With such a huge market cap and shares trading at a premium, one wonders if the current price already captures all future successes. Could the stock have already sprinted ahead of its own growth story? As we stand at this financial crossroads, we must think deeply. Is it possible for Tesla to deliver returns that outpace the market in the coming 5 to 10 years, or has the zenith been reached? If so, it might be smart to exercise patience and wait for the tides to recede a bit before diving in to buy now, or should you wait for the winds to change? That, dear investor, is the question you must confront today. Allure negotiated the tricky terrain of competition and solved the enigmatic puzzle of valuation. As Tesla continues to change the face of the auto industry, one has to wonder if the company's current path is sustainable and if we have truly understood the size of its potential. We'd love to hear your thoughts as you dive deep into the world of Tesla and the EV revolution. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for more insightful articles. Enjoy your time and see you soon.